Hey Anna, in this session we are going to learn how to place objects in the scene and adjust them. After choosing the plants, place them. Then, set the settings of each plant according to your needs. For example, I want to change this plant. Basically, you should know that the leaves of the trees let the light pass through them, and a little transparency makes it happen, so the objects of the nature category look more natural. Replace selection. If you want to replace objects with another one, use this option. The next four tools are selection tools. The first one is focus selection. If you move away from the object, using this option will immediately bring the camera closer to the object. Find selected object in the library. This option will find your objects in the library to place it again. Also, it's used when you forget the category of the objects or its page number and you want to use it again. Select identical objects, which is a selection of all similar objects. For example, it selects all Benz cars anywhere in the scene. Select all objects in the same category. For example, if you select one of the trees, all the objects in the nature category will be selected, including leaves, flowers, and trees. Randomization tools are also very useful for making layouts more natural, especially plant placement. And finally, I want to show you the difference between these two options. The first option places the object on the landscape without considering the topography of the landscape, while the second one places the object based on the topography. I recommend using the layering option in Lumion to improve its performance, especially if you have weak laptop. Create separate layers for all objects and place each one in its layer. When you are done with layers, turn the extra ones off. As this number shows, the more hidden layers, the faster Lumion processes. Now use bird and human objects in your environment. In graphic renderings, use this option to color objects. I put objects from different categories so you can see the difference. You only need to use 3D objects to make animations. When you want to place the birds, place them on the ground first and then use the move vertical and move horizontal tools to find the right place in the sky. At all stages of placing objects in the scene, pay attention to use the correct scale of objects to have more natural renderings.